Hello everybody, it's Laura
and Wes
back with another video from Greystone. This was a really cool project that we were a part of, a project where we were able to give a lot of garden space back.
Yeah, so the client approached us. He has kids. The garden is not massive, but it could be a lot bigger, and that's what we did for him. We basically just removed a very big raised bed for him that wasn't serving much of a purpose, had a couple of bits and bobs in it. We sunk new concrete posts for him purely for the fact that the privacy fence that he has was literally on stilts, so we needed more stability. Yeah, so that it doesn't fall over, obviously. And we just put some nice new sleeper board up just to sort of catch your eye first before you look at the new concrete pillars.
Let's go take a look at what we got up to.
Good morning everyone. So we're on site today. What we are going to be doing is going to be taking all of that out. Then you can see this raised bed all the way along to the end there. That's all going to come out. This is the digger we're going to be using, thanks to High-Base. This is our team member Scott, team member Morgan. Thank you guys. These guys are super efficient. We've already ripped all the greenery out. Hello. So we're going to be putting all the turf, all the soil that we are ripping up over here, ready to be taken away by a grabber.
What's this bit over here that we've been doing?
We're putting all the hard stuff over here to be taken separately by a different company.
Is this what we found in the beds?
Yes, that's what we found in the bed so far. Our nice little ramp. I've marked off the pegged areas because that grass there essentially is going to be transplanted to where we're ripping all of that away. All of this is to come out. Okay, Scott, you want to start up the digger, brother? Let's go see what Law's up to. What you getting up to here, Law?
Trying to break some cement. It looks like. Safety first. We've lifted up all these pavers so far. And now we're getting there.
Okay, as you can see, we've moved quite a bit of material. We have already sunk that new fence post, 5 more to go. Brilliant. Okay, so I think we're there.
Oh, the line's flat. No, we've got the wrong pen.
It doesn't matter, but okay, that's fine.
So,
Okay, just an update on how we're going. As you can see, we've got most of the fence posts in now. All this topsoil has pretty much been leveled. And yeah, some mess. Gary?
Hello, mate.
Hello, how are you doing?
I'm good, mate. Thank you. Yourself?
Brilliant. Yeah, so I do all this.
Look at that.
Hi. So I do this all for
Action
social
cam.
media.
Oh dear.
Yeah, we've got. Hello, as you can see, we have now pretty much flattened it all. Posts are in, and yeah, we're just going to get that digger to just grade it and make it look good, nice and flat. Okay, so just an update. As you can see, the client's probably got 30 to 40% more garden back. We have the last post to sink, and then on to the next phase. And so this is what's come out of that raised bed. I've never seen so much rubble before, and all that topsoil. Hello and good morning. Hello.
good morning.
So we found our level over there, and we have started with the bottom layer of the sleepers. So as you can see, bit of progress. Coming along nicely. Good morning. So we have the borders in. They are looking absolutely fantastic. Hi, so as you can see, we are, well, it's a beautiful day really. Busy backfilling. Looking good. Hello. So finally got the sleeper wall in. Looks really good. So what we're going to do is next we've got a company that's going to put AstroTurf at the end, and it's going to meet in the middle over there, and we're going to have just nice green grass. That green grass will be sorted in the new year, and yeah, what a nice job, came out really nice.